For many years I've wanted to write a book about the history of ice cream vans. It's something that many people here in the UK take for granted. I don't think there's anybody in the UK who hasn't had an ice cream from a van at some time in their life, and I'm sure it made them smile. And when people come here and see what they do, they're wowed by such a variety of skills, and there's so much more to it than what they thought. But back in 1999, a chap called Professor Earnshaw contacted me. He was an author and he wanted to write a book about vans. He had no knowledge, but I did. And so between the two of us, we wrote a book entitled 50 Years of Ice Cream Vans. What it did, and I didn't realise it would at the time, it really revived the interest in classic ice cream vans. Over the last many years, we've restored lots of original ice cream vans from the 50s, 60s, even 70s. But today we can actually manufacture a newly built ice cream van on a vintage chassis that might be from the 1950s or 60s, but we would build it just as it would have been then, with a hardwood frame, aluminium panels, traditional skills that have long been lost in other companies really. But within the van we'd use modern equipment disguised to look authentic, so you'd have that traditional heritage look of the old van with the high performance inside, and that really can give opportunities for maximum ice cream sales, and it's good fun to do as well.